The long-awaited moment has finally come. CS2 has been released to the public. That means that we are one step closer to the cash out phase of our CS2 investments. But how should we act right now? Is it smart to sell immediately, or should we wait for the initial wave of sellers to be over? In this video we'll be going over the different scenarios that could play out in the market after the CS2 release. Now before we get started, I quickly want to remind you that 90% of you guys are not yet subscribed. If you want to stay up to date on anything that happens on the CSGO investment market, please consider subscribing and turn on those notifications. Alright, I know we're all waiting for the CS2 hype to be reflected in our investment portfolios, but this might take a little while. The announcement of CS2 caused a massive spike in the overall market, but this was because the announcement of CS2 came out of nowhere, and most people were not prepared for it. Right now, things are a bit different. Valve announced the release date for CS2, which means everybody and their mom had time to stock up on the skins they thought would benefit from the release. This, together with the insane amount of new investors that came to CS in the last couple of months, could cause the market to behave unpredictably for a while. Some items have already seen quite a steep increase in price today, especially cases. In the 5 hours after the CS2 launch, over 100,000 Dreams and Nightmare cases were sold, which is more than 10 times as much as usual. This case, together with a lot of other cases, saw a price increase of over 25% when CS2 dropped. At the time of recording this video, CS2 is by far the most viewed game on Twitch, with over 250,000 concurrent viewers. All of this does give a positive outlook for our CS2 investments. With more and more players coming to the game, I can only see the general skins market going up, even if it's not as fast as we expected. So right now it might not seem like the CS2 launch had a massive impact on the price of skins, but I think the best is yet to come. Either way, I think we'll see an extremely volatile market the coming days. A volatile market doesn't have to be bad, but I generally like to stay put during situations like this. I'll be waiting along the sidelines and I'll keep you guys updated if anything interesting does happen in the investment markets. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.